Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome back to another Stamp Club reveal. I'm excited to do this reveal with you. I do have to apologize for my voice. At some point it will probably get very croaky in this video. I do feel better, I just don't sound better, but we're on the mend. So let's talk about this one. This is our first Stamp Club for January of 2025. I'm very excited about it. It is super cute and I cannot wait for you to see the samples. So check this out. This one is called I Choose You. Look how cute this guy is. It's perfect just in time for Valentine's. So if you're wanting to make some really cute little Valentines and add some gum treats to it, wouldn't that be super cute? I love this. This little gumball machine. You've got hearts that can go inside, a pile of gumballs that can go inside, some extra bits that can lay around. The sentiments are, I will always choose you. May your day be full of surprises. Surprise, have a ball, and chew can do it. I love that one. Also, hello, sweetie. I think this is adorable, and let me show you these samples. They're adorable. How many times will I say adorable in this one? Chew a piece of gum every time I say adorable, right? This one says hello, sweetie, and this is the little gumball machine stamped on the front and paper pieced. So these little pieces have all been cut and paper pieced out. I love how that looks. And on the inside, I will always choose you. And then this one does not use the gumball machine. It plays off surprise. So it says, surprise, may your day be full of surprises. Isn't that cute? We actually did that because depending on what you wanted to put in here, you know, a lot of times the treat that comes out is a surprise treat. So we thought that would be cute. Plus, you can always use the word and the sentiment surprise. And then look at this one. It's not a shaker. At first I was like, oh, it doesn't shake. Let me show you why. It's super cute. So it's an acetate window card. Do you see that? And it opens to all the gumballs. Isn't that adorable? And this one is paper pieced completely. Do you see how it's all layered in different pieces? Love how that looks. These are so good. Miss Geneva and Miss Opal did such a good job on these. And I want to remind you with the stamp set, we give free SVGs. So if you're not someone who wants to fussy cut, which I think fussy cutting looks gorgeous on these cards, but if you want to use the SVG, there are SVGs for you to use to be able to cut out this little gumball machine without having to do any fussy cutting. Now, I always want to encourage you to be sure to look on the product page of the stamp set and check out all the samples that Miss Sylvia does for you. She does sample pages to show you how to use everything and how it was designed, and I think you'll really enjoy seeing those. And every month we do a giveaway if you make a project using this stamp set and post a photo of it to our customer gallery at MaymayMadeIt.com. You're entered to win a $50 gift card. And all you have to do to see if you won last month is check the top line of this video to see if you were last month's lucky winner. I love this stamp set. I cannot wait to play with it. And it's 2025. Are y'all ready to see some new fun things coming out this way? I'm excited to do some new things for you guys and let you see some really fun, inspirational ideas throughout 2025. Let's get started and let's just craft a perfect year for us, right? Thanks so much for being a part of our club. I have to remind you, if you're not part of the club, you still can pick this guy up. It is in our store, so you can grab one of these for yourself, even if you're not in the club. Thanks so much for being here. Till next time, bye now.